Hello, and welcome to another episode of Fequiere Fitness TV. I am your host, Daniel Fequiere, health and fitness coach, and today we'll be focused on a HIIT workout for beginners. For any ideas, please comment below and let me know what workouts you'd like me to do next. Let's get started. Dance, 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 dance. Exercise 1. March in place. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and your arms at your side. March in place. Lift your knees up to your chest and move hands slowly in running motion. Complete 25 reps on each leg. Exercise 2. Butt kicks. Start by standing with your feet about hip width apart, with your arms behind you placed on your glutes. Slowly bring your right heel to your right glute by contracting your hamstring muscle. Bring your right foot back to the ground and slowly bring your left heel to your left glute. Continue alternating heels for 25 reps on each leg. Exercise 3. Alternating side squat. Start with your feet together and back straight. Step out laterally with your right leg so your feet are wider than hip width apart. Drop your hips back and squat down while trying to keep the majority of your body weight on your heels. Stand up and return to starting position, bringing your feet back together, and then switch to the left side and repeat process. Complete 25 reps on each side. Exercise 4. Mountain climbers. Get in a plank position on your hands and feet and keep your back straight and abs contracted. Slowly pull your right knee into your chest and slightly step with your right foot for balance. Then switch, extending your right knee out and bringing the left knee in, following the same steps. Inhale and exhale each leg change. Complete 25 reps on each side. Wow guys, you did awesome. Another great workout. Your full body should feel great right now. Hey, for future workouts, please comment below and let us know what you'd like to do next. As well, don't forget to grab a copy of my ab workout book for women, now available guys at fequierefitness.com. Great job again. See you next time. And dance, 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 dance.